Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Phuket, Thailand. So this is the massage place that I'm going. Look at the food, it's amazing here. Yummy, just ordered. We got tom yum soup. Yum yum. अब जल्दी बाजार शुरू हो चुका है तो vegetables हमें कुम्बा सावा मैंने. So this is the washroom. It is here. My bed. Sorry, it's messy because I just woke up. And look what they serve us in Thailand. Looks so yummy. And of course, not to miss the view. Oh my god, I don't know how to open this one. Oh. So yeah, this is the view outside. So beautiful today. The weather is excellent. And I can see the shower. See from here. And I'm gonna go there later on because they open night street market there. So I'll have my dinner there. And right now, first I'll go for massage. So for now, let's sit down here and enjoy my fruits and we get ready to go for the massage. I'm extremely tired today because I had to go to work around 12 a.m. and I had to start getting ready by 10 p.m. so I didn't sleep, so I was dead, you know, when I landed. Anyway, I had 2 hours sleep and I don't want to waste this layover, so even though I'm tired, I'm going out. I need some massage and some Thai food. So guys, this is what I am wearing. You can't see from here. Let me see. I'll just wear some sandals and that's it. See you guys in the massage place. So this is the massage place that I'm going. We have crew discount here and it's very reasonable and cheap. So let's go here for some massage and I'll update you how it goes. So I'm gonna get this massage and then back and shoulder, so total of 3 hours. Yeah, I'm so excited. For the crew, if you pay by card, you get 5% discount and by cash 10% discount. So in total I paid 1,210 baht, which is 3,000 rupees. So first I'm gonna start with massage for 1 hour. It feels so relaxing and the floor, it's super clean, you know, shiny. Reminds me of my childhood. That's how I have to clean the house. I asked her for blanket because I feel so cold. Foot massage is done. Now body massage. Let's sit here. Oh my god, I feel so good and relaxed. I'm so sleepy, but I still have 2 hours to go. It feels so good. My legs, it feels so smooth now. Feels nice. I'm loving this massage place. So nice. So now it's time for body, shoulder, neck. I'm done with my massage and they served me this cookie and herbal tea with a hot towel. Alright, yeah, you did dinner home. My favorite sport is take hotel la picture. Look at the food, it's amazing here. Yummy, just ordered. Anyway, I just look drained. My eyes are already red. Because I was sleeping the whole time in the massage and my hairs are upside down. I didn't get to go also. Anyway, weather here is so nice. So I got tom yum soup. Yum yum. Morning glory. Rice. Something is yet to come. Itu apa kesukaanmu? So this is something that I always order whenever I'm in Bangkok. It's so good. This one and tom yum soup and rice. They are the best combo. Kaka mushide, bawa kashide. Foolish. Yeah. Hello, good morning. I just woke up. I can see that there is a vegetable market going on outside, so I'll go now. I'll buy some fruits. It is around 7 a.m. out here. I'll go buy some stuff and come back and sleep. Let's show you guys how it goes. So there's a vegetable market going on right now. Vegetable and fruits market. Let's go. I'm super refreshed this morning. I woke up early, I don't know how. Let's go. अब जल्दी बाजार शुरू हो चुका है तो वेजिटेबल्स हम भी कुंभा सावा मुझे Masala section আছে মনসলা section আছে না যাই হিও তাহলে ট্রাই করি সব সব ভেজিটেবলস খান না ফুল খামিও বড় সুন্দর সুন্দর বেশি আছে mucha আছে এই মার্কেট তো সব আছে no সুন্দর সবই so vegetables mo kan khala বেশি নাই কি লও না জানি mo কি খাই দিওন খাও যে লও যে না মই Yonchak low ini ba? Muna didi over kushi pa ito. Half kilo to 200 baht ase kushi. To 400 rupees ish na ase. Oh, dati charkuna bhi ase ide. Charkuna bhi low. So charkuna do 20 baht ase, so 40 rupees. Ima mujja shopping gole ide. Oof. ফালে যাইছা এতিয়াতো এই ম্যাঙ্গোস খান্ডো 50 বাট কালার মান বনা দেখে ওলি বেশি মিঠা হওয়ার নিচিনা আছে আৰু ড্রাগন ফ্রুট আছে লব লাগে ফাইনালি গ্রুপ নিছে ওভার দু পয়সা ওভার ভারী Ini akhirnya coconut water na kaya dun loss is Thailand coconut water na very मीठा है थोड़े coconut भी इसमें Oh, so good. Now time to unbox it, guys. So, itu pata kini boy tahan lado fudang boy so. Itu asma na na jino itu nisne dikhe. Smell भी ना. itu कितनी खंडी पाइना है. तो itu एक तारे 10 baht আছে. So I bought 3. Tangan over pani bijay dia lagi low mo na naman. Hat puti gay na doon. Aru ide tulsi lapata. Basil tulsi. Mo pagushi pai do na. Doon eh duita lishi hala type. Mostly pani na bijay lahi bisay lishi hobi. Na pai. Topi na. तो तुलसी ला दो तुलसी तो बड़ा बिया हो ही जाने तुलसी ला दो ड्राई लगता है और स्ट्रैप ना जो 20 बात दिशे और तुलसी पता भी 10 बात है और ये तो मैं ऊपर तक किन्या ला सी और लोकल धनिया भी दिशे एक तारे 10 टका I mean 10 टका एक तारे 10 बात So 20 rupees na local dhania do. Oh, pabal ni dongba. Delish. And then, of course, yang chocolate sweets. Itu tangan tu sapa ko na bigay do. Muzza easy na. Itu chutney banane ko. Half kilo lishe 200 baht. Khali sweets na. Muzza. Lango na. Aru itu dragon fruit red color dulu sih 65 baht lagi sih red color na so red color dulu sih 1 kg aru mangoes 2.100 grams dulu sih na mangoes of first kilo dulu na so in total 2 kilos 100 grams though I spent 110 baht. So that's all my street market shopping in Bangkok. Anyway guys, thank you for watching my Phuket video. Do like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell and see you in my next video. Bye bye.